Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education World, and today we are going to discuss genders. Genders are of four types: masculine, feminine, common and neutral. Masculine gender is for male, feminine gender for female, common gender जो male and female both, neutral gender for non-living things. Now let's see how to change the gender when the gender is changed to feminine by using the different words masculine and feminine. In this, the feminine gender is very different from the masculine gender. For example, father, mother, uncle, aunt, king, queen, brother, sister, horse, mare, fox, vixen, bull, cow, and so on. Now the rule number 2 says we can also change the gender by adding ESS to the masculine gender. Now let's take few examples. Masculine gender, host, and the feminine will become hostess by just adding ESS at the back of it. Actor, actress, poet, poetess, lion, lioness, priest, priestess, author, authoress. Rule number 3. We can also change the gender by dropping the vowel and adding ESS to it. And how is it done? If we have a masculine gender, for example, actor, we are dropping O and it's becoming actress. Duke, we're dropping E and we're making it duchess. Waiter, we're dropping E again, it's becoming waitress. Master, mistress. This is how it is done. By changing a word before or after the masculine gender, we can also change it to feminine gender. Let's take few examples like landlord. Landlord is changed into landlady. Milkman to milkmaid. Son-in-law to daughter-in-law. Grandson to granddaughter, grandfather to grandmother. See, we are just changing the word after or before the masculine gender. The rule number 5 says we can also find masculine and feminine gender in animals and birds. Let's take few examples. Ram, ewe, colt, filly, buck, doe, drake, duck, gander, goose, he-bear, she-bear, peacock, peahen, stag, hind. So these are all few examples of animal kingdom. Now let's discuss about common genders, which can be used for both male and female, like parents. Neutral gender, book. Child again can be a male or a female. Bird can be a male or a female. Deer is both used for a male or a female. Teacher again can be a male or female. Baby can be a male baby or a female baby. Student can be a boy or a girl, and friend also can be a boy and girl. For neutral gender, which is commonly used for non-living things, it's for example, we can take a book, spoon, nail, key, chair, table, and etc. I hope it has made the chapter clear to you. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel.